How to redeem Amazon gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can redeem Amazon gift card online. In order to redeem your Amazon gift card online, update the application. First of all, check your internet connection and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom. It's going to direct you to the profile page. So in order to redeem an Amazon gift card, you can use it as a way of payment method. So for that, you need to go to your accounts, which is right on top. After that, it's going to direct you to the your account page. Over here, scroll down and head over to the section of account settings. Under it, you can see there is an option as manage gift card balance. Click on it. It's going to direct you to the manage gift card page. So then to redeem your gift card, tap on the gift card button, redeem your gift card button. You can either scan your card or you can enter in the code. After that, click on apply to your account and it's going to be applied. And whenever you are making a purchase, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount, and that is basically how you can use or redeem your Amazon gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.